Yeah, I'm Dr. N. Vinod Kumar, Chairperson of the Mormugao Port Authority. And Mormugao Port Authority is one of the oldest ports in the country, one of the 12 major ports. And this port has been in the forefront of coming up with new initiatives and was the first port to implement SAP in 2009. So our decision to kind of transition from this version of SAP to SAP HANA has been taken consciously to transform ourselves into the new era. Even today, the ports have been kind of, you can say, has been generating a lot of data. Even today, it is generating a lot of data. And earlier, when we came up with SAP, there have been multiple kind of departments doing multiple operations and also the administrative work. And multiple ports have been working on different port operating systems. So I think the MPA took this decision at that point of time, and I think it is the only port which is functioning without a separate port operating system, and the SAP has been fully kind of functional, and our operational needs also have been customized into this SAP. Today we have to migrate into SAP HANA because the needs of the time are different. And we are also looking at kind of coming up with a private 5G network and having more IoT sensors, etc., so that the machine-to-machine communication in the port also happens. So I hope the SAP HANA will help us use these sensors and the new technologies in a better way. Highbar Technocrat, I think they stuck to time and they have been cooperating very well with our IT team in implementing this. I think it has been done fairly fast, and we look forward to more cooperation from their side in making this transition a grand success.
New version of SAP, that is S4 HANA, we are migrating. We have already migrated today. So we are going live to use basically the SAP system in a better way, in an efficient manner. We have engaged Highbar Technologies, one of the leading consultants providing this migration services. So we are thankful. The work has been done in time, both by MPT team as well as Highbar team.
So this is the second instance wherein we are working with Highbar Technocrat. The first instance was in 2018, where they had implemented our SAP File Lifecycle Management, that is e-office. And till today, it's working very good. And this is the second instance wherein Highbar Technocrat has bagged the tender for as an implementation partner for S4 HANA with RISE. The journey, it was quite good because they had all type of consultants wherein they had handheld us very well, right from the mock server till in the development quality, and now in production we were totally without any fear. So they have handheld us very well. So thank you very much for Highbar Technocrat. Thanks a lot.
First, I'll tell you that we opted for private cloud because we do not wanted a shared resources, and secondly, we wanted a customized, tailor-made solution for us, and that's why we opted for a private cloud version, and we wanted higher security concerns also. And another thing is, we wanted to take all the best features of S4 HANA, like business analytics and all. So that's why we went for a higher version, because we wanted to really use data for decision making. That's why we wanted that our users should have access to all the information in time, and so that they can take the right decisions. Highbar has been Highbar was the implementation partner for SAP FLM also, and they are very professional, and when they got this tender, they won this bid, we were very happy because we had worked with Highbar. This was our second innings with Highbar, and Highbar have a very professional approach and they stick to timelines. That is one of the best things. And here also, in this case also, they have done a very good job. They have done a very good hand holding, and they were very accessible, and every issue during testing and other things, they cooperated with MPA like anything, and that's why they are the best, we can say, for this migration purpose.